In this ukulele video, as part of our hashtag Riff Like the Pros, we got one of the best licks ever written, originally performed on guitar. This song was originally recorded by Roy Orbison and later recorded by Van Halen. This one is Oh Pretty Woman. All right, so that's just a little piece of it. We're just gonna do the intro. There's actually kind of two parts to this intro. This is by far one of the coolest licks, and it works out really well here on ukulele. So welcome to Uke Like the Pros. My name is Terry Carter. If this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the lessons and reviews that we do right here on the channel, not only for ukulele, but also guitarlele, also baritone, and we also do some guitar lessons over at Rock Like the Pros. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. Also, if you're on Instagram, follow me over there at Uke Like the Pros. So this one has a really cool backing track that we made for it as well. If you need the tab and the sheet music, you can get that over on my Patreon page, patreon.com/Uke Like the Pros. All right, so this is part of our, like I mentioned, hashtag Riff Like the Pros. You got to record yourself doing this. This is just a short little riff that's kind of really cool. All right, the first part's this. Now, there's actually something really tricky in it, and is how you count it. Okay, so check out the counting. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2. So there's a measure of 2, 4. Okay, so it's a bar of 4, 4, then the measure of 2, 4 when you do the repeat. All right, it's gonna start right here. Open third string, okay, and then you're gonna go 4th fret. I'm using my second finger. 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then I'm using my pinky here on the 2nd string, 6th fret. And that's intro 1, so it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1. Now again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1. 2. All right, so then you get to the full riff, which is this. All right, so it actually starts off the same, except it just extends the lick a little farther. So you're gonna start 0, 0, 4, 3, 6. Now that's the same, but now you're gonna go 1st string, 5th fret with my 3rd finger, then to 3, and then back to 2nd string, 6th fret. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you're gonna do it 4 times for that lick. All right, so let's do that together. 4 times. 3 and. See that little slide? All right, now that's all we're gonna do for this particular riff, those 2 parts. Now, did you notice I can slide into that 4th fret if I want to, just something fancy. They don't actually do it on a recording, but it kind of sounds pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna do that with the backing track. All right, let's see how you do. A 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Boom, that's how you do it. Now, I didn't show you the last chord, we're just ending on an F chord. So anyway, that's not important. It's really the riff. That's the cool thing about this. So there you go. There's your hashtag Riff Like the Pros. That's Oh Pretty Woman. That's intro 1, intro 2. Get it down. It's kind of fun. If you need more help besides what's on the screen here, get the tab, get the backing track, patreon.com/Uke Like the Pros. Make sure when you post your video, hashtag Riff Like the Pros. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.